Welcome back to another episode of Fresh Air Tree Expert, guys. On this video, I'll be showing you guys how we removed a large oak tree using a knuckle boom crane. I had the privilege of doing this job with TreeMax, another local service-based company here in my area that I love to come help out when I get the chance, because they have some great equipment and it's always nice, makes the job much more efficient. So anytime they call me out, I try to make myself available. So this was a really fun job, guys. Coming to the job, we played a little bit of musical trucks, kind of getting things set up where they need to go. The guys started getting the crane set up, moving things that needed to be moved so the outriggers can get in place. While guys were doing that, we had other guys gassing up some chainsaws and getting them sharp, things ready to go. Once everything was all set up, the crane operator began taking some picks out of this oak tree using the mechanical saw, which is attached to the end of the grapple. Once he got past all the brush and stuff that he was able to cut, we began to hoist the climber into the tree. And started taking some picks out of this tree, guys. It was really an honor, and I hope you guys truly enjoy this video, because this is my passion. I really enjoy doing this stuff, guys.